In this video you will learn how to make montage videos. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Drop the music you have chosen. And in effect control decrease level cause we need music volume low as possible. In this case I'll do -20. Place the clip you are using at right beats. Right-click and unlink the audio from video. Then make cut using C. And add fade-out transition on both clips. Now increase volume to enhance these sound effects to stand out from music. And your video is ready.